So how can you charge the AirPods with the iPhone? Well, I mean, it is technically a very useful feature because a lot of times it happens that you have your phone nearby and the AirPods are simply empty. In that case, you can do it, but some people would expect the reverse wireless charging, which is part of some Samsung and Android devices. On the iPhone, we don't have that, but we have the hardware support. So if you have the proper cable, you'll be able to plug it in to both your iPhone as well as the AirPods case, and the power should be distributed from the iPhone's battery to the AirPods. So if you can figure that out, then it's just gonna make it work. Just keep in mind that obviously it depends on your phone because there are iPhones with the Lightning connector. There are iPhones, 15 and later with the USB-C. We also have the AirPods with both Lightning and C. So you just have to have the proper cable. But if you do, it's going to be really simple. You'll be able to just plug it in like that and make sure you charge up your AirPods on the go. Obviously, this is not ideal and you should not do it like 24/7 or anything, but in some situations, it is a good backup plan. So most definitely let me know below in the comments if it worked. By the way, keep an eye out for your battery charge through the battery widgets, which can be added to your phone and it's very useful. So yeah, that's the whole thing and how it works. Most definitely subscribe for more guides and tutorials similar to this one. I publish a lot of them on this channel. So thanks a lot and I'll catch you in the future one.